Today marks 1 week until jury selection is supposed to get underway for Derek Chauvin's trial. He's the former Minneapolis police officer charged with murder in the death of George Floyd. Today, the Minnesota Court of Appeals heard oral arguments over reinstating a third-degree murder charge against Chauvin.
The judge dismissed that charge last fall, saying it didn't apply, but the state has continued to push for it. Our Paul Bloom joins us live now with more on today's hearing. Paul?
Amy and Randy, here is the situation. Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer, is currently facing charges of second-degree murder and manslaughter. The question, though, is about this third-degree murder, basically a count right in between the second-degree murder and manslaughter, and would come with that middle-type prison sentence should a jury eventually convict. Well, today, the two sides battling it out before the Court of Appeals here in Minnesota, with the stakes extremely high.
It's just one legal issue, and you yourself should reinstate the charge of third-degree murder against Officer Chauvin.
Prosecutors argue that Hennepin County Judge Peter Cahill was wrong to toss out and then refuse to reinstate third-degree murder charges in the deadly arrest of George Floyd. With just a week to go before jury selection in the high-stakes trial of Derek Chauvin, the state now asking the Court of Appeals to step in.
If you rule against us, we'll never be able to charge third-degree murder, ever. A trial judge shouldn't be able to do that.
Just last month, a divided appeals court panel ruled to uphold the third-degree murder conviction of former Minneapolis police officer Mohammed Noor in the 2017 shooting death of Justine Ruzcek Damon. In so doing, the court helped define some of the complicated language around the statute that had focused on the idea a defendant was thought to have to endanger multiple lives to be charged with the crime. In the case of the Memorial Day arrest, Floyd appeared to be the only person in danger, with Chauvin's knee to the back of his neck for some 9 minutes. But Noor's attorneys are appealing to the state Supreme Court, and Chauvin's team insists you have to wait until the issue is fully resolved.
Yes, my client would have the right to appeal that decision if Noor were to be overturned, but he would have to do it from the confines of a prison cell.
The judges, including Michelle Larkin, who wrote the Noor appeals opinion, had some tough questions for Chauvin's attorney, Eric Nelson.
Do you see the problem with that argument?
No ruling came down Monday. The judges promising a, quote, expedited decision for Chauvin, acknowledging the clock is ticking. Getting back to the Noor decision here, some late breaking news. The Minnesota State Supreme Court did make it official today. They will hear oral arguments in the Mohammed Noor appeal coming up in June. And Amy, just also want to point out to you and our viewers, it is highly unlikely highly unusual for the Minnesota Court of Appeals to get involved in a case pre-trial as it is doing here in Derek Chauvin. But again, I think it just goes to show you just how important and unprecedented this case is.
Paul, along those lines, could an appeals court ruling eventually delay Chauvin's trial, which starts next week?
Absolutely. Here's how that could happen. Let's say the appeals court does reinstate the third-degree murder charge. Then all of a sudden, does a defense attorney like Eric Nelson say, wait a minute, I need more time to prepare to defend my client against this new charge? In theory, he could ask for a delay. Again, so much up in the air. We just don't know what this Court of Appeals 3-judge panel is going to do here.
All right, Paul, thank you.